Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today, I will show you how to create a TikTok Smart Performance campaign. So if you're a TikTok user, an aspiring influencer, or TikTok seller, you can take advantage of this TikTok Smart Performance campaign in your TikTok ads. So without further ado, let's head on to that. Now, you can use your laptop or PC or even on your phone. Now go to your browser and then search for TikTok Ads Manager and click the second link, TikTok Ads Manager account sign up. Now go ahead and click Get Started. After you click Get Started, you'll head onto this page. TikTok for Business. Sign up. If you don't have a TikTok account yet for business, you can sign up to this page. Let's say example at email@gmail.com, and just make up a password, or you can just sign up using your TikTok account if it's already a business TikTok account. So just click sign up with TikTok, and then you will head on into this page. So you can just click what social media account you connect your TikTok business account with, or just your TikTok account, and you can just switch it to business TikTok account later. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.